This video explains the development process for the touch sensor function in the RA family microcontrollers using QE for capacitive touch. You can easily adjust the sensitivity of the created touch sensor electrodes to the optimum state, by referring to the 3 tutorial videos. This section explains the software settings required for touch sensor detection. As the first step, you can configure each setting by performing a simple operation using the GUI. Here the setup procedure is explained, using Capacitive Touch Evaluation System for RA2L1, which can evaluate button, slider, and wheel touch functions. The button, slider, and wheel touch functions use self-capacitance electrodes. For details of the electrode board design, please refer to Capacitive Sensor Microcontrollers CTSU Capacitive Touch Electrode Design Guide. For details of development methods, please refer to RA family using QE and FSP to develop capacitive touch applications. Let's launch the E-Square Studio IDE, and create a new project for RA. Enter a new project name and select the target device you are using for the touch sensor application. In this video, the RSSK RA2L1 board is selected. Proceed with the other settings, and the generation of a new project is complete. After the project is generated, proceed with the necessary settings from each tab of the FSP configuration. In this video, HOCO set to 48 MHz is used. This section imports the driver module used for touch sensor detection. Select stacks, New stack, Cap Touch, Touch, RM Touch. The channel used for the touch sensor can be set from pins, peripherals, input CTSU, CTSU. After code generation, setting up the necessary modules for the project is completed. Please proceed to the next video, which explains the procedure for simple sensitivity tuning using QE for capacitive touch. Please continue watching.